This, ladies and gentlemen, is how you remove the fuel filler line in the 2013 Ford Focus SE.
Alright, so what you do, pop the yellow cap, take the wheel well out, there's only 2 bolts. The second bolt, there we go.
Most likely you're having issues with this if you have a recalled gas tank. And if you have a 2012 to 2018, you have a recalled fucking gas tank. Guess I shouldn't swear. I don't want this to be YouTube friendly.
You got the first 30 seconds to not swear. You got your third bolt here. Alright, okay, so you got your third bolt. That's right there. Once you pull that out, then you want to follow these lines. Okay? Follow those lines all the way back. You're going to run into this green clip here. Remove that. Follow your line back. You see here, you got your clamp. And this runs right into your fuel tank. Okay? So you want to make sure that you have a catch set down underneath for any excess gas that you have in your line. Want to hand me that flathead? Yeah.
Where's the
And you can see right there, there's the flathead. Okay, so we took out the old filler neck, as you can see here. Hey, alright, so that's pretty much it. And just so you guys have a little heads up, I'd say the hardest fucking part is going to be this clamp. I don't know about yours, but mine was stuck. So getting that clamp off is no joke. There's 2 little brackets on the side. You want to lift those up, pop this top out, and then there's another green button on the back. You press that, that'll open it up, and you just yank it right off. Alright, once you got that, you're pretty much golden to go, pony boy. That's your other bolt there, your green clamp there. And then when you come up and under, I don't know, you got your clamp here and your hose that you got to get done. So once you got all those steps done, you're good to go.
That's your overflow.
Oh yeah, and in case you guys don't know, this little hole is your overflow. You see that? There you go. So be careful with these capless tanks. Don't fill them up too much. Alright guys. So once you get everything else done, putting this shit back together is pretty much cake. Thanks for tuning in. And fuck Ford, huh? You can thank my boy Keeley Salad for his skillful hands here.